electrifying arrival.
And now, he's the final boss of WWE.
The Rock sits on top of the mountain here in WWE for almost 3 decades. The Rock has been dominance personified.
The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, The Rock!
Some things change in WWE, but Rock's greatness does not. The man hasn't lost a step.
If anything, The Rock is... Oh, what's she doing?
She's done waiting, Cole. It's time to fight. Catching the competition completely off guard.
Didn't even see it coming. And now this match has officially begun.
Well, this is the way we're starting, Cole. I think the WWE Universe is in for quite a show tonight.
And I'm not sure the word official is even in their vocabulary right about now, Michael.
Corey, how do you deal with the total chaos of an Extreme Rules match?
By getting extreme yourself. Don't just deal with the chaos, be the chaos. That's what this match is all about. From the top.
Crash and burn.
Watch out.
What? From all the way up. Wasted no time flying out to the floor. The Rock looking to supercharge those millions and millions of fans of his.
Oh, square shot with the back elbows as that. Wow, what a pump kick.
Nice handle.
Sliding in under the rope. She's back in the ring.
The WWE Universe looking very stratified right now as Trish signals to them. Oh, serves her right. Not taking the competition seriously.
Ooh, she countered that into her own offense.
Nothing fancy about that.
The People's Champ could have used some help from the millions of fans that time. And an inverted atomic drop. Clothesline. Oh, he flips that around. Oof. Double axe handle.
Some agility gets her out of dodge. Narrowly escaping there.
Power slam. Up and down. What a slam.
Nothing fancy about that.
Oh, God.
Have you ever seen a human being tossed like that?
Not the prettiest thing you'll ever see, but it sure looks effective from here.
And a stop to the gut, too. She gets around the attack. Pulls their opponent in. Belly to belly.
Mounting their downed opponent and firing off a series of blows. Attack to the midsection.
Saw it coming. And covers it. She's going up now. Going up high.
Up high.
Crash landing.
Find some payback with their own reversal. Nothing fancy about that.
Trish Stratus with Stratus fashion.
Can Stratus put things away here?
And into the cover. She did it. She picked up the victory.
Here is your winner, Trish Stratus!
Trish Stratus earns the victory.
I still can't believe it.
There's really no telling what this match might have in store for us. Just about the only thing you can count on is total pandemonium.
Yeah, chaos is the name of the game here. These superstars are going to be living out their most unhinged and dangerous dreams in this one.
Knife edge chop.
Oh, kick right to the spine.
Boom! Read that one. Oh, what a club. Oh, did you hear that?
She's able to evade.
Hook kick.
What a double axe handle. Gets out of the way of that one.
Punishing the shoulder.
Boom! Look at this, just unloading.
And a stomp to the gut.
Honing in on the arm.
Uh-oh.
And she quickly turned that around.
Forearm to the face. Oh, nothing fancy about that. Pump kick on target.
With so much danger in an Extreme Rules match, what is the key to victory in something like this?
To really succeed, you need to take things to the extreme. You can't be cautious in the match when your opponent certainly won't be.
Climbing up, she got something big planned.
From the top. Whoa, look out.
Soaring through the sky and crashing onto their opponent.
Planted with a face buster.
Oh my God, in the spine.
That'll make your legs go numb.
We're getting up close. Look at this intense battle.
Everything ringside has potential to do some serious injury.
He's able to avoid heavy contact.
Battle of counters. No one's getting their full offense in.
Watch out!
Across the ring with a bulldog.
Stratus showing here that she can still impress, still be at the top of her game when the time is right.
Turns that away.
Both competitors showing they've studied the other's playbooks to the T.
Discouraging situation for the People's Champion.
Trish is all fired up. This is certainly an effective use of a foreign object. Holding nothing back, striking over and over again. There has to be permanent damage being done right now.
Now, this is just overkill. This is just unnecessary. This is no way to treat any human being.
Come on, this has got way too far. Just stop this already.
Stomping down.
Right to the leg.
Stratus applying the pressure.
An unfamiliar spot for the Great One.
Rock finally finding a way to slow his opponent's assault down.
Could be the tide turner The Rock desperately needed.
Stomp after stomp after stomp. Uh-oh.
Blocked the effort and cut them off with a shot to the gut.
Several reversals, neither superstar able to penetrate their opponent's defense. Waiting to strike, brace for impact. Connects with a chip kick.
Game, set, match. Trish.
Setting course to the top turnbuckle.
To the sky.
Good Lord, taking flight.
The airtime. The fearlessness. What a ridiculous maneuver to the outside.
Returning to the ring now. Wow, what a pump kick.
Drop kick down low.
Trish plans in motion.
Soaring.
Oh, what a splash! And The Rock is being handled here.
Yeah, Trish hitting her with impressive maneuvers.
From the top. She completely missed there.
Ooh, walloped by a huge club.
That could dislocate your shoulder.
Ooh. Some serious damage to the arm being inflicted here.
saw that one coming.
What a shot. She knew how to evade that. And a big boot. Oh, man. Countering that offense.
Target acquired. This only ends one way.
Check kick by Trish.
The Rock just got checked in.
Makes the cover.
There's your winner, ladies and gentlemen, Trish Stratus.
Here is your winner, Trish Stratus.
Trish Stratus holding her head high with this victory.
I don't know what happened. I am in shock. But it's the Great One who got beaten.